This is a short morning exercise I'd like you to practice to reprogram your mind to not only access the truth of who you are, what you are truly capable of, and to begin to manifest more success into your life. If that sounds good to you, let's do this. Now, if you can, close your eyes to deepen this experience and just put one hand on your heart. Let's just begin breathing into the heart to connect, to help release some oxytocin, and to help you feel good. Breathing into your heart area, almost like you can feel it expanding, opening. Maybe you're feeling good. Now bringing your full attention to the sound of my voice. I'd like you to become aware of how right this very second, there are no problems for you to solve. How does that feel? And can you get a sense that right here, right now, you have everything you need this very second? And how does that feel? Can you feel the abundance that comes with knowing you have everything you need this very second? And right here, right now, you are in the right place, the right time, in the right set of circumstances, no matter how it feels. So what happens when you stop resisting the present moment? Can you get a sense of gratitude for everything that you're experiencing right here and now? Now I'd like you to imagine that there are infinite timelines stretching into your future. And on some of those timelines, you are living your ideal life. Can you get a sense of what living your ideal life would look like for you? Where are you? Who are you with? And what are you doing? How does it feel that your ideal future is available to you with every decision you make? Every step you take can take you closer to your ideal life. Think about the possibilities in your future waiting for you. The opportunities, the adventure, the excitement and say to yourself, may I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be free. And may I feel love. And just bring forward a feeling of gratitude for everything you're experiencing right here, right now. And for the adventures that wait for you in your future. And then come back. Now, this is a mini mindset exercise you can do each morning instead of turning on the news, looking at toxic forms of social media, drifting through your day on autopilot. This is your wake-up call, reminding you that right here, right now, there are no problems to solve. You are free. Right here, right now, you have everything you need, despite future stories. Right this very second, you are free. Right here, right now, there's nothing to resist. You're the right person, the right time, in the right place, in the right circumstances. Let that struggle go, because you are free. And it's from this empowering, excited, and grateful state of mind that we can create our futures in the only moment that matters, and that is the here and now. Do what you can to wake up. Discover the truth of who you are, the truth of what you are capable of, and create the life you truly want to live. And I just want to say, I am in awe that you are doing the work to transform your life, because it impacts and changes this world in ways that we won't ever know. But I'm grateful that you're here with me. So do this every day for a while to get your brain used to creating your new program. Share this with someone you know who could do with a morning mindset wake-up call. And of course, let me know in the reviews what is happening for you by practicing this mini wake-up call. Have a wonderful, peaceful, and present day.